So this is part of our sort of family of first aid kits, and we've made sort of the medium size. This is the large that you can watch another video on. It's like sort of the giant kit. This is the one that we sort of built for headrest or kind of MOLLE pallets platforms, Velcro on the back, all kinds of cool stuff. Check out another video on that. This is the medium first aid kit. So we've come up with something sort of in between, so we don't have the giant extreme monster and the little headrest piece. We wanted something that sort of fit that in between bucket. So what you've got, basically red giant piece of 4-inch loop across here. You've got MOLLE Pals webbing, so if you've got stuff you want to stick in here to hold it, scissors, whatever, you can kind of drop stuff through here. Again, gloveable, glove size zipper pulls, number 8 YKK zipper. On the back, you've got loops so that if you want to attach it to something, you can. Just carabiner it to stuff. 2 clips and bam, it's hanging from something. Handle so you can walk away with it. When you open it, it is set up with 4 4x12 pouches in it. So basically you can take each one of these, kit it out how you want. So you've got trauma in this one, sort of your boo-boo kit in this one. You've got a blood stop in this one, you know, and your miscellaneous stuff over here. And you can even label those. So if you want to Sharpie the front of these, they've got a clear front so you can kind of see it, but you can then go through and label those. They rip out so you can sort of grab the one you need. So if you're going hiking, bam, you grab the boo-boo kit, and this is kind of what you roll with. So this is sort of our, you know, we kit one of them for our kids. And then that would be anytime we left the vehicle, we just throw this in our carry bag, but we leave the monster kit kind of behind typically. It gives you the ability to store a lot of stuff in a pretty small area. The other thing we did with this one is we ran a piece of webbing all the way around 3 sides of it. So what that gives you the ability to do, which is kind of handy, is if you take like a piece of 1-wrap Velcro, I can actually take this, run it through the loops, and then I can wrap this and hang it from like a JKU grab handles in the front. So the front of the passenger seat, you can just hang this thing from there, and then you've got an accessible first aid kit pretty much all the time, and all you'd have to do to take it off is just peel the little piece of Velcro and it would drop off. So it gives you the ability to, you know, kind of mount it a bunch of different ways. You can mount it to, you know, MOLLE webbing. You could actually technically take two good sized carabiners and you probably hang it on a headrest. It fits underneath the back seat of a Jeep. So if you're looking at the back seat, kind of where the transmission would go through, it actually fit underneath the middle of that seat in the gap. So this is the medium size in the family of first aid. This is the small, and this is the big one. So thanks for taking the time to stop by and check out all our life-saving utensils.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe for weekly videos, and comment down below. We love to hear from you. If you want to check out any of the products you saw in this video or any of the other cool stuff we make, head over to BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com, where everything is made in America and handcrafted for adventure.